Can I help you?
Yeah, my suitcase hasn't arrived.
Okay, how many bags are you missing?
Just one, a suitcase.
Can you describe it for me?
Well, it's kind of grayish blue and hard plastic, I think.
And what size is it?
Oh, it's medium size, like this. And it has wheels.
Anything else?
Yeah, there's a small lock and a label with my name and phone number on it.
And what was in the suitcase?
Just about everything. Clothes, toiletries, all my personal belongings, really.
And finally, can you sign this?
Of course. Do you have any idea where it is? I mean, do you think it's still in New York?
You can track the progress of your luggage online or just give us a call, but we should be able to get it back to you within 24 hours.
That would be great. Thank you.